Welcome, divine seekers, to embrace the divine flow, the fifth Avarna meditation of our sacred Sri Chakra journey. Are you ready to awaken? Are you ready to awaken the infinite wisdom within you? Take a deep breath. Close your eyes and let the cosmic energy guide you. Today we enter into Sarva Siddhiprada Chakra, the gateway to the divine fulfillment, the gateway to the wealth, to the abundance. Please switch off your phones. Sit comfortably. Sit on chair, or if you are sitting onto the floor, sit in Sukhasana, and always sit onto your asana. Now keep your spine straight. Keep your body relaxed. Imagine a warm golden light at the base of your spine, gently rising and glowing each chakras on the way, preparing you for this sacred journey. Now visualize the radiant Sri Chakra with emerald colored 10 triangles, inner triangles, pulsating with the energy, inviting deeper into its embrace. Feel the energy shift. The gates of the fifth Avarna are opening, revealing the focus, revealing the forces that grant wisdom, success, and spiritual harmony. Are you ready to step through? Are you ready to step in? Picture yourself standing in front of a Sri Chakra, a radiant circle of 10 glowing triangles, each triangle shimmering with, pulsating with emerald light. This is Sarva Siddhiprada Chakra, accomplisher of all objects, all material things, pulsating with divine feminine energy. As you gaze upon them, feel their vibrations resonate within your heart. With each breath, draw this energy into your being. Inhale and feel the light of wisdom fulfilling your mind. Exhale and release all tensions, doubts, and fears. Inhale again and let the energy of success flow through your mind and body. Exhale and surrender to the divine flow. Now imagine a single triangle in the center, glowing brighter than rest of the triangles. Step closer. Feel its warmth envelop you. This is the seat of Tripura Bhairavi, Mother Tripura Bhairavi, the fierce yet compassionate goddess of transformation. Whisper her name softly in your mind. Mother Tripura, Mother Tripura, Mother Tripura Bhairavi, and feel her presence, awakening your inner strength. You are not alone in the sacred space. The universe is aligning with you, connecting you to the infinite wisdom of the cosmos. Can you feel the divine flow passing through you? Let's deepen this. Let's deepen this connection more. Focus on your heart center. Visualize a lotus blooming within. Its petals are pulsating in the light of Sri Chakra. With each petal that opens, feel a wave of peace wash over you. This peace indicates that you are one with the divine. Now imagine the energy of the fifth Avarna flowing through your own body, flowing through your entire body, cleansing, balancing, empowering. It moves through your mind, clearing all sorts of confusions. It moves through your body, removing all toxins. It moves through your soul, igniting the purpose of your life. Now silently affirm, I am aligned with the divine flow. I am wisdom. I am the strength. Repeat this in your mind several times, letting each word anchor you deeper into this sacred space. Feel the shift within you. The fifth Avarana has awakened your inner power. You are radiant. You are aligned and ready to carry the divine energy in your life. Let's bring this light back with us. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Feel the energy of Sri Chakra settled within you, like a warm ember glowing in your heart. As you return back to the present moment, realize that the wisdom and strength of the fifth Avarna remain with you. You are connected to the divine flow always. Thank you for joining this sacred journey. Namaste.